Welcome back to Cryotos Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Gopi, and today we're delighted to have May, an expert in maintenance management and IoT, back with us. Welcome, May.
Thanks for having me again, Gopi. It's great to be back.
Today's topic is a crucial one for any organization looking to optimize their maintenance operations. How to effectively transform your preventive maintenance schedule from time-based to condition-based. May, could you start by explaining the difference between time-based and condition-based maintenance for our listeners?
Absolutely, Gopi. Time-based maintenance is when you perform maintenance tasks at predetermined intervals, regardless of the actual condition of the equipment. On the other hand, condition-based maintenance involves monitoring the actual condition of the equipment using sensors and performing maintenance, only when certain indicators show that maintenance is necessary.
Interesting. So, how can an organization make this transformation effective?
The first step is to invest in the right technology. IoT sensors and a CMMS that can process and interpret the data from these sensors are crucial. Next, you need to identify the key indicators of equipment health for each piece of equipment. This could be temperature, vibration, noise, or any other measurable factor. Then, you set thresholds for these indicators that, when exceeded, will trigger a maintenance task. Finally, it's important to train your team on how to use the new technology and interpret the data. This will ensure that they are able to effectively implement condition-based maintenance.
That sounds like a smart way to optimize maintenance tasks. But are there any challenges that organizations should be aware of?
Definitely, Gopi. One of the main challenges is the initial investment in technology. However, the long-term savings and efficiency gains usually outweigh this cost. Another challenge is training your team to use the new system and interpret the data correctly. It's important to have a good change management strategy in place.
That's some great advice, May. It's clear that moving from time-based to condition-based maintenance can bring significant benefits, but it's not without its challenges. Thank you for your insights.
It's my pleasure, Gopi. I hope our listeners found this information useful.
I'm sure they did. And that's all the time we have for today. Join us next time on Cryotos Maintenance Management as we continue to explore the fascinating world of maintenance management.